How's everybody doing today? This week we're going to actually just show you what goes around the shop normally. We have prepared a tire mounting video to kind of show you what kind of machine that we use. We actually spent pretty penny on this machine to make sure that it's a machine that's never going to touch your tire. We're not using pry bars to get your tires on and things like that. I know a lot of guys that shop with us will end up spending, quite a bit of money on those tires and also obviously the wheels. So we want to make sure that, we're not using like a $400, $500 machine that could potentially damage your wheel and maybe rip up your tires at the same time. So we're going to show you that. And we had a Genesis coupe this week that we were able to do a airlift setup on. I wasn't able to video everything that, like every single step of the way, but I was able to get a few things like with ZB and Lucas actually making the false floor. Got a few good shots of that. You're going to be able to see some of the things that we do, kind of like back of the shop type of thing where you really don't see it often. So yeah, enjoy the video, and after the video is done, make sure you follow us and spread the word. so that wraps up the video for this week. Our weather seemed to be getting nicer and nicer, so maybe next week we'll take one of our cars for a ride out and make a video of that. So stay tuned and keep following us for more updates. Bye now.